What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Before we start the video, I'm going to show you my computer real quick. I'm definitely going to be upgrading the hardware to an i3-8100 and I'm still going to keep my GTX 1050 Ti. I'll be getting a better motherboard with an 1151 socket type. Not sure why Intel went down, I think is what they did for the socket types. I think maybe they went up? No, because 1155, 1150, okay, yeah, so I'm lost. But I'll be getting DDR4 memory because that's the only thing the i3 supports. I'll be getting the processor for $50. I have the $50. I'm waiting for my friend to upgrade to the i5. It's a 6-core. I'm getting a quad-core. It's just going to be better than my 3rd gen i5, which I'm really excited about. Thank you guys for the subscribers. I've been getting a lot of subscribers. I have no idea why, but I really do appreciate it. Because if I can get to 1,000 subs, I could start making money off YouTube, and then I could get better, and then I can basically complete my dream. So I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the hard drive in your laptop. So you will need a kit. I literally just got this today. It's a little kit. It's basically an iFixit ripoff, but I'm too poor to afford an iFixit kit. And you're probably like, well, you're going to be buying fucking... Yeah, I know. But anyway, this is my computer. Let me just turn the camera around. Alrighty, guys. So don't mind the fucking shells over there from bullets. But so this is my hard drive, this is my hard drive. Fucking 2 terabytes. No. So this is my computer. It's got an i5-2320 clocked at, I want to say, 3 gigahertz, 1050 Ti overclocked edition. I have the box up there. I have 12 gigs of DDR3 memory right now. I'm using my Ripjaw set right there. That's why one stick's missing, because it's four sticks, but it's only a 2-slot motherboard. I think I'm bleeding. And then the Cooler Master Hyper 212. I'm going to do a review on that. I'm really tempted, because that is a really nice cooler. Really crappy Dell OEM motherboard. It's a DIY case. It looks sick. I gotta turn this on to edit the video, but you're gonna... Ah, you fucker. So for some reason, if you guys can help me out with this, I have to reboot the computer to get these fans to work at the front. Watch it, they'll kick on. Yeah, I don't know why they do that, but yeah, so that's my 1050 Ti. The fans don't run unless they need to. You can see my Ripjaw memory. Yeah, that other hardware is gonna be way better, and that cooler actually works with the 1151 socket type, which it does say it on the box, so that's going to be handy. So anyway, we're going to move over to this now. So I'm going to be taking my Toshiba Cosimo or whatever and throwing the hard drive in it. I'll show you how to format it and all that. I think I did a video on this, but this will be the 2018 edition. Let's go ahead and turn the laptop around. This one's heavy. The battery's missing because the battery doesn't really work anyway. So try not to put that anywhere. You're going to want to... I would recommend wearing an anti-static thing, but since this isn't... I don't have a proper setup for doing videos like this, we're going to wait on that. So let me get my screwdriver set out. This is really nice. It's got an anti-static bracelet. It's got some spudgers, some tweezers, more spudgers, a ruler for some reason. I think that's a razor blade. Oh, that's another spudger. Brushes. It's a really nice setup. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I got it off Amazon for I want to say around 20 bucks. I don't remember fully, but so yeah, this is what I got. You have to look for the screw. I only have one screw because this laptop is beat to crap. Really good laptop. It's got an i7Q something. I'm not 100% sure. I don't fully remember the specs of it, but I don't think it's gonna matter because I can just look at the hardware after. I probably didn't need to get this out to do this, but I definitely need to I really want to refurbish. Oh, that's a nice screwdriver. I haven't got to use this yet. I like it. Oh, it's even magnetic. Sweet. I can just put that over there. I have paper in here to hold up the hard drive a bit. So I'll be putting a 500 gigabyte Toshiba hard drive in. It's actually an Apple drive, but I used this before I got my gaming computer. Well, I'll have a better one, but before I got my semi-good gaming computer, I actually used this laptop and this hard drive for a year. There's a solid state in here now, but this will be the spare drive for games or whatever I decide to install. This is more of a streaming thing. So you just can turn it upside down and push it in. Some will have a drive cage. I do not because I got this pre-owned. So I'm really tempted to buy another one of these, or I really want to buy a fucking one of those Lenovo ThinkPads, the ones you can get with a 3rd gen i5 or something, because if I can find one with the same processor I have in my desktop, I'll be happy, because then it'll be a really fairly decent computer for a laptop, and then I can just give this back to the guy who gave it to me. So let me go ahead and turn the laptop around, plug it in, and we'll look at the hard drive. I'll show you how to format it. Okay guys, so I got it plugged in. I have it on my old MSI motherboard box. The motherboard's actually in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, let it boot into Windows. I had another hard drive in there. You know, I've never seen that before. That like the little light in there. I've never noticed that. It doesn't do it while it's on, because I've had people record me with my phone before. Odd. Very odd. Yeah, so definitely going to put a link in the description for this screwdriver set. It's a really nice screwdriver set. I'm too poor to order to afford iFixit. I'm sure I'll have iFixit down the road. Maybe they'll sponsor me. Yeah, probably not, but this is going to be a fun editing video. So, Windows, boot in. I haven't used this thing actually in a while. Man, I do not know how to hold a camera. I really want to get a tripod so I can set it like right here when I do my videos, and I'm definitely going to do that. So let's go ahead and go here. I just want to make sure there's nothing on the hard drive. No, there isn't. So to get to the hard drive, it's obviously not going to show up in the File Explorer. As you can see, I only have my 128 gig, I think, is the solid state. So you're just going to go down here to the Windows Start menu key. A lot of people go to devices and stuff, but I like to just go to right click and just go to disk management, so you don't have to go to like my computer. I put a 250 gig solid state, or goddammit, hard drive in here, so I can just show you what I want to do. I hope there's nothing on it. Just check. Yes, okay, it doesn't show up. So you're gonna go to disk management. I'll probably just cut out the part where that hard drive didn't work. Sorry I said 500 gig hard drive. I cut the rest of the part out. That hard drive for some reason doesn't work at the moment, so I gotta fix it. But so usually if this type of stuff pops up, what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and delete the volume. You're going to click yes, and I don't want you guys to see what's on Discord, so I'm just going to... And then I can go ahead. It's going to take a minute. It shouldn't take too long. Then I'm going to delete this partition. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't let you delete some of the partitions. I have no idea why. I'm pretty sure it's just because of Windows. So it looks like it's also an EFI, so it's system partition. So if you want to make a new partition, just right-click, go to New Simple Volume. You're going to click Next. Next. You can assign the drive letter. I'm just going to do D. I'm just going to name it Storage. Usually I do uppercase, but this is a video. I don't care. So name it Storage. I'm going to click Finish. You just click Enter or whatever. It should pop up saying Storage. It should say Healthy, just like the boot one does. And then I should have, look at that, Storage. So that is how you put a hard drive in, and you can format it so you can use it for extra space. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like to it if you liked it. Dislike it, it sucked. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. If you guys have any ideas for videos, let me know. I actually had somebody offer me a video, but I have to figure out how to get the components so I can do a video on that. Or no, it was a Discord video he wanted me to do, so I got to do some research so I can do that video. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you liked it. I already said all that. Comment below what you guys think. Comment below future video ideas. I'll see you guys next video, and... Oh, dead pixel. Oh no, that's just something burnt. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.